Howdy, my name is Herb, and welcome to This Week in Herb's Workshop number 15. Today we don't have a whole lot. We've been busy with other things, working on my programming for my rotary table, and we'll show that here in a few weeks. But wanted to show a recent purchase that I've made, and my plans for that. So we'll cut to that. Okay, what we have here is a MT5 to MT3 adapter. My spindle on my lathe is an MT5, so this will fit into the spindle. Then I got this ER32 with an MT3 taper on it. I had to add this little bolt in the end, which is not the right size, but it does fit in there and gives it a little extra length. And the reason for that is when you put it together, you need that little extra length to be able to get the tool out. So you have the screw comes off here, and you can do a chuck or a collet. Now, when I first got this, I really thought I had a problem, because what I was doing was putting the collet in and then putting a piece of stock in there and trying to start it. It wouldn't work. And I put out a little plea on the internet, a couple of forums, and immediately came back with the solution is that you're supposed to snap the chuck in first, then put your stock in there and tighten it up, and that works. So a problem I thought I had was just short between the headsets, as us radio guys say. Anyway, the chuck I bought from Pliars, and it came with the tightening wrench, and there's a couple of flats here to tighten that up. One of the problems I do have with it, though, is sometimes this comes loose and will spin, and so I think what I'm going to do, since this is probably going to be semi-permanent, I'm going to put some Loctite in there and lock it down. If I ever need to get it apart, I can heat it up and pull it apart. But I'm going to try it for a while. The limitations of these ER32s is you can only put a short piece of material in there. That's about 1.5 inches chucked up. So that's a limitation of it. But it gives you very good accuracy. I looked at this on the lathe, and looks like we got about half a thou run out on the whole system, measured on a ground pin on the output side of the chuck here. So I'm happy with it, and I bought a set of six or seven collets, all the way from 1/8 to 3/4. So that's it for the ER32 purchase. It's just an addition for the tools for my lathe. Okay, I've got my chuck off, and this is my plain back spindle, and we've got the MT5 to MT3 taper here in the collet chuck install. Ram that in, and we will install the collet. Get it started. This is a piece of scrap that I was doing some threading on for practice, and normally I'd tighten that down, but get the gist. So that's how it works there. See if we can fire up the machine here and let it run. So that's my ER32 collet adapter and collet system on my lathe. Okay, I watched a Tom Lipton video this morning. He showed a pair of Lineman pliers that he picked up, and reminded me of mine. I got these in February of 1965. They were issued to me in the Army when I was just arrived in Kaiserslautern, Germany, and is actually there's a set. It's a pouch and a knife and these Lineman pliers, and I wore these on my belt for about a year and a half, and then I brought them home with me when I came home from Germany. The knife and the pouch are long gone, but still have the pliers. And these are made by Boker, and they're made in the USA. And I think I've sharpened them once or twice, but they have little slots in them to strip wire, and they also are cutters, and they have the fine serrated tips. And these are still in great shape to be almost 50 years old. So also they have a little hole in the end here for a lanyard. Some people put a little lanyard on them because when you're up on a pole, you don't want to drop them. So that was the deal. But I never had to put mine on there. But climbed many of telephone poles in Germany wearing these, and they were very useful. So just wanted to share that. Thanks.